Create an account to register on NeevCloud and fill in the details. Check your email and click on the verification link to verify your email address. Create a project to initiate the KYC process. Click on the process and allow it. Verify your identity by entering Aadhaar number and CAPTCHA, then click on Next. After click on the Next, you will get the OTP on your registered phone number. Enter OTP and continue. Enter your DigiLocker security PIN and continue. Allow access to your camera to capture an image and submit your profile. Now your verification is completed, then refresh the page. Now you can create your own cloud server.